'07 Ford Explorer. Limited to not even 130,000 miles. That is so beautiful. I love that sound. That clicking. Oh, it's beautiful. I love this truck. Ford is my favorite vehicle. They say that because I still under warranty, why don't I get it fixed? Well, hey, I would get it fixed under my warranty, but they say they need to open the motor up, and that's going to cost $450. Well, why do I got to pay for that? Because we don't know what it is. Nope, that's a cam phaser. Sorry to tell you this. It's definitely a cam phaser. Well, we don't know. You're Ford. You should know what it is. No, that's what you go to school for. Oh well, it is what it is. One more time for the beastie ass Ford.